Hi, I don't know how to describe this, but I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. Also, you're watching me without any makeup, so enjoy my bare face. The thing is, tomorrow my friends and I are going back to uni, which feels very weird because now that we are used to just doing everything online. Can you focus? Can you get in the middle? Thank you. I'm not the kind of person who gets very nervous about the first day of school, I guess, but I haven't seen my classmates in months. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go have lunch and hopefully spend some time together and just enjoy it because I really miss them. I'm not looking forward to waking up very early tomorrow, but... Can I stop? I don't know how to film like this, I'm so sorry. So this is the intro of the video. I know, very glamorous, I look amazing. Okay, so I just put on a bit of makeup, not too much, and now I'm off to uni. Also, I'm a bit self-conscious because there's someone outside of my house having a photo shoot or something, and I'm gonna be bringing my camera and filming myself. So also, this is the first time I'm trying this one mask, so let's see if it fits. I was gonna film myself and I accidentally took a picture of myself, so that's great. You have no fucking idea of how uncomfortable this mask is. I hate it. And I also hate this jacket, but I'm way too lazy to go and buy something new. So yeah. Let me tell you how surprised I am at the fact that there's so many people in the street. I'm also suffocating. Also look, they are building a new house. So let me tell you why I despise this jacket so much. It's basically the color. I literally hate this color. It's horrendous, okay? I was supposed to tell you something and I forgot. Yay me. Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you that now I'm gonna go take the bus and then the metro in order to get to my uni. Yeah, it's 1 hour of commuting. Okay, so now that I'm out of the metro, I'm gonna have to go to the library. I have to borrow a laptop. This is my uni. I know, it's beautiful. It's really not that big of a deal though. I'm gonna go have to look for Mark.
No sé com funciona. Hola, Jen.
I present you my uni BFF, he's very tall.
Hola,
His
¿qué
name
tal?
is Mark.
¿Ya parlo en inglés?
Si vols?
Ah, vale. Okay, my name is Mark.
Okay, we're gonna go to the library. I present you Montserrat. She's amazing. She's very intelligent. Thanks. Introduce yourself.
Oh, my name's Estela.
That's it. She's a star. That means star in Catalan. I present you Miss
Ann Catena.
She's a Filipino. She's great.
I am from the Philippines, as she said. I've been here in Spain for quite a few years, since I was 3. And
Old woman.
yeah.
Hi, I'm Katla. I really like baking.
Oh! Can you make me something?
Yeah.
Some brownies?
Yes.
Okay, great. No?
I really like reading, listening to music, watching TV shows, and that's it.
The basic stuff. She's
Yeah.
a basic bitch. Es broma. I present you my intelligent BFF. The only one who's intelligent in this place.
Soy la Paula.
And she's a nerd. That's it. She's a nerd.
Hola, ¿qué tal? I went to your Twitch live with your boyfriend.
Did you? Oh my god, I didn't know that. Did you like it?
Well, it was only 2 minutes, but yeah.
She was so bored, she literally left at 2 minutes. That's so sad. Her name is the same as me, but we're both amazing. So anyway.
Hi.
Tell me something about yourself. Well, tell them something about yourself. What do you mean you don't know? Do you not know anything about yourself?
Don't it?
I'm really excited to go back to college.
Okay,
Sounds nice.
that's cool.
T'agrada
Para
també ja
volver
col·le?
no és bastant
Xulo, no?
fàcil.
Merci. You already know him?
Serà interessant quan gravi amb el Dani
Yes,
perquè
You're my little.
Mark, tell something about yourself.
I'm Mark. I currently live in Barcelona because I'm a student.
A student.
Oh my gosh.
Present yourself. Oh my god, you're very tall. Hi.
Hi, I'm Sylvia. I'm from Menorca.
She's very cool, but she hangs out with this idiot over here. So she's not that cool. Thank you.
Baby.
Try me, bitch.
I'm from Castellón and I like you, my little darling.
Nope.
Okay, this is my friend Diego.
I'm from Tortosa and I'm 18. I go to Pompeu University and I don't know, I like playing football.
Very interesting. High five. Last but not least, Miriam, or also known as Mimi. Come on, Mick. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Mimi. I'm friend of Anas. Anas is so cute.
We are both really cute. If she weren't cute, she wouldn't be my friend. Obviously. After me being this stupid bitch, we're gonna go eat. You're funny. People don't get me. I'm so misunderstood. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna stop now. Can we just take a look at him? He's the playboy of the class.
I would say that it's better to say fuckboy.
Boy, if you don't
This is family friendly! If you find him on Instagram, block him because he's gonna steal your girl or something. He has like 5 girlfriends.
What?
Don't get close to him, he's problematic. Have a good day.
I'm vegetarian.
Are you?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. This is great news though. What are you gonna get?
Maybe noodles?
Noodles?
I don't know.
Are you going to udon?
Yeah.
Me too. It's amazing.
It's the best.
It's also a bit expensive though. Are you rich?
No.
I wouldn't even be here if I were rich.
Tendría esa carrera puta pagada ya.
Yeah. What are you gonna get?
Noodles.
Everyone's choosing noodles today.
Obviously.
Okay, so here we have the people who have gotten, it was Asian food basically. Paula, over there. She's the one that's sitting on the floor for some reason that I don't understand. They got junk food basically. The 3 boys over there, they don't take care of themselves. They need to be more healthy. T'has agafat menjar del Burger King. És pitjor encara. Marc, has d'explicar què ha passat. Explica-ho en anglès.
My ice cream fell. I'm so sorry.
What are you eating, Diego?
I'm eating a McFlurry.
Is it good? Was it expensive?
No.
Are you rich?
Bon dia, gent. Què tal? Com esteu? Look, Anna is like our really cool videoblogger. Please follow her. Lot of kisses from Catalonia. Put your mask on or otherwise I will kill you.
Can we look at the sky? It's so dark. I was going back home. I'm still going back home from the bus stop. And I said, let's buy some churros for my family. Estan molt bons. L'altre dia em venia molt de gust menjar xurros. I vaig dir a mama, em vas a comprar xurros? Em va dir no. I jo com, per què em vas adoptar si no em pensaves comprar xurros? I'm here supporting my boyfriend because he makes streams on Twitch. If you want to go watch any of his streams, then I'm gonna leave the link down below. I'm just gonna stay here, support my boyfriend for a while, then gonna go do some homework and also edit this video. I hope you like this video, and if you stayed until the very end, please leave a comment down below with the diamond emoji. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please click the notification bell, because if not, it's never gonna tell you once I post a new video, and that's a big deal. You don't want to miss it, trust me. Please just do it. It's not that big of a deal, just clicking a dang bell. Okay? I hope I'll see you on our next video. Bye!